In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a note in Evernote. Whether you're collaborating with a teammate, sending information to a client, or just sharing a shopping list with a family member, knowing how to quickly share a note can save you a lot of time. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step using the Evernote web app, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Evernote account in your web browser. Once you're in, look for the main navigation area on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Notes. Go ahead and click on Notes. This will open a list of all the notes in your account, usually sorted by the most recently updated ones at the top. Next, you'll want to choose the specific note you'd like to share. Scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of notes. When you find the one you need, click on it once. The note will open in the main viewing area where you can see its title, content, and any attachments. Take a moment to confirm that this is the exact note you want others to see, and make any last edits before sharing. With your note open, look for the Share button. In the web version of Evernote, this is typically located near the top of the note, often represented by an icon that looks like an arrow or a person with a plus sign. Click on the Share button to bring up the sharing options. From here, you have two primary ways to share. The first option is to type in an email address. In the sharing pop-up, click into the field provided and enter the email of the person you want to share the note with. You can usually add more than one email if you're sharing with multiple people. Once you have entered the address, confirm any permissions available, such as whether they can only view the note or also edited it, then send the invitation. If you prefer, you can use the second option, copying a link. In the same sharing window, look for the option to copy a shareable link. Click it, and Evernote will generate